Hi all, my topic is FDM, frequency division multiplexing. So before we move deep into the topic, we should know the term multiplexing. Multiplexing, which means combining more than one signal over a shared medium. Then coming to our topic FDM. FDM describes schemas to subdivide the frequency dimension into several non-overlapping frequency bands. That is, in FDM, the total bandwidth is divided into a set of frequency bands that do not overlap. Coming to the concept and the process, the total bandwidth is divided into a set of frequencies. Each of these bands is a carrier of different signal that is generated and modulated by one of the sending devices. The frequency bands are separated by strips of unused frequencies. These strips are called guard bands. The purpose of using this strip is to prevent overlapping. That is, we have said that the total bandwidth is divided into a set of frequency bands that do not overlap. So, these strips, which is called guard bands, is prevent the overlapping. Now, let's see how FDM works. Here we can see input signals coming from different sources, a multiplexer, a demultiplexer, and output signals. The input signals from different sources are combined using a multiplexer in sending end. The combined signal is transmitted over the communication channel, thus allowing the multiple independent data streams to be transmitted simultaneously. At the receiving end, the individual signals are extracted from the combined signal by the process of demultiplexing. So here is an example which conceptually represents multiplexing using FDM. It has 4 frequency bands. Each of the 4 senders is allocated a frequency band. The 4 bands are multiplexed and sent by the communication medium. At the receiving end, a demultiplexer regenerates the original 4 signal as outputs. So coming to the uses and applications, FDM has been popularly used in telephone networks, wireless networks, and cellular networks. In telephone networks, it is used to multiplex calls, and in wireless networks for satellite communication. Then orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. OFDM is a technique where the channel bandwidth is split into many closely packed subcarriers or narrowband channels, each of which transmits signals independently using a technique like quadrature amplitude modulation. So, consequently, they do not need any guard bands, thus have a better utilization of available bandwidth. So, thank you all.